So let's start working with creating the project. First we will create a new folder for it and rename it with QR code. After that you can open it with your favorite text editor. I will use Visual Studio Code throughout this project. So first we have to create two folders, one for JavaScript, JS, and the other for CSS. Add index.html file. Now let's add style.css file where we have to write CSS code. In JS folder we will have to add two JavaScript file, QR code min.js, where we will have that JavaScript library code for QR code generator. In QRcode.js, we will write JavaScript code to generate the QR code of a user input data.